Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today we're going to be unboxing a package that I have received from Spellqueen. I know there's a few different craft activities in here, so we're just going to unbox today and then you will get to see them when I'm working on them later on. So let's get started. So it is only in a plastic FedEx, and then the box has got a bit squished, but the items inside shouldn't have been damaged by that. They're quite squishy. So let us see what we've got. Okay, I'm just gonna, so I've got a few different kits in here. So let's look at this one first. Okay, so I saw this on the website and I thought that this looked like it was something that was fun, like it would be something I hadn't done before, and hopefully a craft that's easy to learn. This is a very crinkly packet, but I'm going to just open this up now so we can have a look. Okay, so the premise is to make a little clutch bag, evening bag, using ribbon. So it comes with, oh my goodness, 3 rolls of the foil tool. I can never remember, you know, this kind of ribbon. So you got 3 lots of that. We've got our bag base, I guess. I'm not sure how all this is going to go together. I guess, yeah, it's going to be like this. So these will be the sides. I'm not explaining this very well. And it will, yeah, be stitched. So essentially you're weaving on top of this plastic framework. We've then also got in here all of the fixings and bits and pieces to oh gosh, this looks complicated. Yeah, oh okay, we've got, is that a magnet? Yeah, magnet fastenings for doing the clasp up, and it's got a cute little charm of a sort of a Bambi style deer. Very cute. Yeah, who knows how easy it will be to do. It has got instructions that are not in English, but with the help of Google Translate and just looking at the pictures, I think it should be fairly easy to figure out. And I haven't checked, but I would be fairly certain that if I just looked on YouTube, somebody else has done a video of this already, no doubt. So that's my first activity, and yeah, I will obviously show you that if it's not in progress, then once it's finished. Pop these to one side. I don't want to lose all the little bits. Guess the real test will be whether they've given you enough ribbon. So, okay, that one to the side. Okay, next we have got something that I've wanted to try for a while. This is punch needle kit. So we've got English instructions on this occasion, which is nice. Yeah, explaining to you how to do it. I will check this. I would imagine it may even be a QR code with instructions or a video. And then we've got, oh yeah, here we go. Use WeChat to scan for detailed punch skills and to see a video being done. So if anybody else wants to have a crack at those are there for you to have a look at. The kit itself is, which picture did I go for? Oh yeah, so it is this one. So it's a tulip with some colourful blobs. Very simple. I thought as it was the first time I'd be trying this, I should go for something simple and easy. Comes with the yarn that we need, and alongside that somewhere I got a punch needle. I have no idea how this works, so it will be a journey. I will post updates and maybe ask for help on Instagram. In the meantime, yeah, this is a kit that does have everything you need. Also comes with the embroidery hoop to both use while you're doing it, but then also can be used to display it afterwards. So I will pop all the prices for these things up on the screen for you so that you can see how much they are if you would like to get them for yourself. Oh, also part of this kit was some little snips that are they'd fallen out of the bag. This little bag is quite useful. It's a nice resealable Ziploc bag, so that's always good. Always looking for reusable ways to store crafts. The Binker or Ada, I think it's probably Ada, not sure, is nice and soft and has been overlocked on the edges, so you shouldn't get any fraying while you're working. And then finally we've got these, which have come in a lovely Spellqueen bag. I do like these. I use these a lot for storage. So these are going to form part of my spare drill series. I will put a link up in the eye to that if you want to go and check out the stuff I've done already. As people at Diamond Paint, we know that we often end up with a lot of leftovers, and as someone who is environmentally conscious, I do not want to just be dumping those into a bin where they can end up in the water cycle, in animal foods, you know, damaging plant life and such. So I have been trying to find ways to use them up, because whilst you can store them for a later date, there's no point storing them if you're not going to do anything with them. And then I spotted these. These are essentially colouring canvases. So they come with a pale image marked out just with 1s and 2s, and then you can go in with any colours you want and fill that in. It's an absolutely great middle ground between doing something like a heaven and earth design where you are working from a chart and placing on a blank canvas. Doing something like this means that you've got a design there and you're just filling in, and this is a lovely little size to try that with. Let me just measure this. I cannot remember what size it was. So this is a 20 by 25 drill area. It is poured glue, and it's got the clear coat and is on the nice sort of felt backed canvas, just like the Spellqueen larger canvases are. And so I've got this one, and then this one is different. This is a teacup. So I went for a cupcake and a teacup. This one is 30 by 30 drill area. And again, we've got just marked out in 1s and 2s, but you can place any colours that you want on there, decorate it any way you like. If you know, you could even, you don't have to use this pattern if you didn't want to. If you wanted to put a letter on there or someone's name, the world is your oyster. You could treat these as blank canvases if you really wanted to, but as I say, these are a really lovely middle ground. What is also great about Spellqueen, as anyone that's seen me open their kits before will know, is their toolkits are fabulous. Equally, they now only send you one toolkit with every order unless you request more. So say you're getting 2 canvases, you're keeping one, you're giving one to a friend, you'll need to request a second toolkit, assuming that you both want a toolkit. So the toolkits now, they come with, we've got rounded tweezers. Can you see those? They are not at all spiky, they're rounded ones. We've got a clear glitter pen with a 4-placer and brass tip. Squishy, just for your comfort. You get a lovely big clear tray. These are my favourite size of trays. I don't think I could go back to using a small one anymore. Incredibly cute little wax. Is this sealed? Oh, no, it's not. So we've got 3 little stars of wax in there, the nice big wax. This is so cute. And then a little storage pot, which, whilst I don't tend to use mine for storing drills, I use them for storing my pen tips. So this is one that it's got the little tiny elastics for pen tips in there and my metal tips so that I know where they are. So yeah, this will come in really handy. Gorgeous kit, always just feels like something a bit extra special. And of course, you know, this bag, as I say, is a linen type cotton bag that can be used for many things. Storing in progress canvases. I've seen people use them for storing carrier bags. They're great for just stuffing things into. Yeah, really good. Lovely, lots and lots of uses. So look out for these items in future videos, with them being completed or in progress. I am very excited to get started with these colouring canvases. I think I will start planning out, have a look at my spares and see what will work for me based on what colours I've got. So yeah, I hope that you've enjoyed watching me unbox these items today. Something a little bit different. I am trying to broaden my craft horizons and not just post diamond painting, but to let you guys see all of the different craft activities that I get up to. So until the next video, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.